Hey, good morning, everybody. Kathryn Wilking here, and I talk about renovations, moving, all kinds of stuff. And I'll tell you, uh, I preach that whenever you're going to make a disruption in your home, that you set up a little nest where you can rest and recover. Living through renovations has been something that my husband and I do. We just improve every home we've been in, and this is the last one. We're making another big shift. So our kitchen is being gutted. I'm going to turn you around to see that. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's our kitchen. So we've taken out the cupboards that we need. We still got some pictures on the wall, I see. Cleaned the stove, counters, everything's emptied here. And I'll tell you, we're donating this to the Habitat for Humanities. Yeah, we've done this before. They're coming in this morning and taking everything out, and we get a tax receipt when it's sold. And I think it's a really good place to donate these things instead of going through the landfill. And then, of course, we've had to make our own little nest over here. So we've squished the living room furniture a little bit in order to set up a makeshift kitchen. So this is going to be our little kitchen for the next few weeks. We took the little baby refrigerator from downstairs up here. We raised it up on a table there so we can reach it easily, and moved the buffet into action. And then this other stuff here was the countertop. We'd set up a makeshift counter here with the husky. Have everybody seen them? They're on Pinterest a lot. So we have a little husky station in here. It works out really well, actually. If you can see, all the stuff fits into it. And so this is going to be our kitchen and our home for the next couple of weeks. And so I've given it the feng shui blessing, and all is good. There's Steven. Say hello. I know he's lost some of his hair, but you know what? We're still married. All is good. You two can have a feng shui day every single day. Bye now.